Science Club again. And our subject today is not about Blender, of course. It's about Davinci Resolve 16, and I'm going to tell you more things about Davinci Resolve and Edit, Fusion, these stuff. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates on our new videos. Actually, I never tried this, but you can try it and tell me later on. And please smash the like button, please. And you see this red rectangle. It's a subscribe button. Just click on it, and you see the bell ring. This one, click on it, and the last step. Do you see the thumb? Just click on it. These 3 easy steps to subscribe and hit the notifications bell and like. Very simple ways, very easy, so you're never going to lose anything. Just click on them, and after I teach you how to subscribe, how to like, and how to click on the notifications bell, let's get started. First of all, you remember our first video about Davinci Resolve, which I showed you how to insert your clip and this stuff. I inserted my clip already, and you have to check that you have to go in this settings button and check that the timeline frame rate is 60 FPS and playback frame rate is 60 FPS. That's all. Okay, so I think I recorded the video in. It's been a short time since I recorded a video.
No, it was a long time.
Who gave you the permission to talk?
I talked by myself. Do you have any problem?
Please, could you be quiet? I am recording here. Hello.
Yeah, I can see that. But I want to talk so I can become famous.
Excuse me, guys. One private moment. What do you think I gave you the money for, huh?
What money? You didn't give me any money.
I gave you money, okay? Don't lie on me.
Ah, that was money then.
What? What do you thought it was?
I thought it was food, so I ate it up.
What? Do you want to say something?
No, I give up.
So guys, let's start already without any disturbing. Okay, just go to edit, and before that you have to make sure that you inserted your clips. Remember this. So go to edit. You can edit here and cut here, but there's another faster way, which is cut, C-O-T, cut. And this is also a faster way. So, but I'm not used to use cut, so I'm going to use edit for now. Drag your clip, insert it over here. My clip is recorded, and you can add any clip. Okay, so let's play this. In Davinci, when you're editing, you have to listen for the clip a million times, like ugh. But before that, delete this clip. Wait, delete it. And delete the timeline. Remove timeline. Remove. And like you see that you are thinking that this is 1 hour when you inserted the clip. It is actually 15 minutes and it's not 1 hour. So there's another way that you can make it 0. Go here, right click on the clip, and of course create timeline. Where is it? Here it is. Create new timeline using selected clips and name it. I'm going to name it tutorial. Okay, that's fine. And go here and type 0, then create, and it's going to create it automatically. Like you notice here, the number one has gone. It's now more sensible video, I guess. Home. Okay, so let's see things why deeper. So how I changed the screen is by just clicking here, two screen, one screen, whatever. Okay, after we're done inserting our timeline, creating a timeline, let's see another thing. Let's play it first.
So, welcome back, guys, to Blender.
Wait a moment. I actually muted my desktop audio. Let me start again.
So, welcome back, guys, to Blender.
As she said, welcome back guys to Blender, but there's a big space that we don't want, and then mark it. You can click here, marks, which you can put a marker, shortcut it. And by the way, when you click on it, you will see this marker, and you can change its color, of course, by going here, and you can go cyan. You can add more actually, but blue is fine, really good. Okay, so yeah, and you can write a note actually, but double click it. You can call it. I'm going to add cut, and the color will be green. You can see this circle over here, which presents that you have added a note over here to remind you. And when you go through it, you can see the note cut. You can give any, you can put any note you want. So okay, click on this button, which is blade edit mode, which the shortcut is B. Blade means cutting, so let's go back and try the shortcut. B, cut. It's cut already. So let's see when we will end this. Sorry.
So,
Let's, before so, actually I'm going to put this clip in the link if you want. I'm going to put this in the description. Sorry. Let's delete this, and it will automatically what do you call it, snap. So delete the marker, we don't need it anymore, and let's see.
so welcome back, guys, to Blender. So,
Yeah, perfect. So if you want to add fade and you don't know how to do it, I'm going to show it right now. So if you click on a clip, or it's not important to click on it, just, do you see this point or marker or whatever, this white thing? You have to just drag it across like that and fade.
Blender. So,
Wow, that was cool. Let's try it one more
to
time.
Blender. So, if you're
Yeah, you can just do it. Let's do it. Let's keep it like this anyway. I'm going to close it for a while. I don't need fade. I'm going to show you a transition. So if you go here to effects library, you can see lots of things, words, sentences that you don't understand, but don't be worried. I'm going to show you everything. This is filters and this stuff, effects. I'm going to talk about this later, but I want a transition first. So it's a filter. So wait, not a filter. Wait a minute. Here, video transition. Sorry. Let me choose this one for now and add it like that, and you can actually wait, and you can actually make the transition long or short or as you like, but I'm going to keep it as it is.
So
Let's see.
welcome back guys to Blender. So
I think you noticed the transition and it was really cool, so I'm going to keep it because it's awesome. I'm going to add a little fade, small fade.
So if you
Ew. So it's nice, great, cool. Now, as I talked about, as I said, titles, which is text. I want to add a text. So you can do it. There are two ways. First way is to, that's a longer way actually. Now I'm going to add a text, titles, drag one, zoom for example, double click. Bad guys. This is bad leader, Blender, good, nice, happy. Nice, good, great, love it, done. Just change the color. Good. Now let's see it from the beginning.
So welcome back guys to Blender. So if you're
Don't be worried, this clip is caching. So save it, save as you go. So Davinci don't crash, okay. So I showed you the transitions and the text and this stuff.
Yeah, I learned a lot.
Haven't I said to you to be quiet, or you want another punch? I see.
No, I don't want another punch. Sorry. I'll be quiet.
After I'm done a side chat with my friend, I'm going to show you how to change voices. So this girl is talking and we want to change her voice. We want to change it, but before that, you can change it from here, semitones. How did I open this panel? It's just to click on the clip and the audio. You can separate it by right click, link clips, and it's separated just like that. Or if you want it together, shift and click on them, select them, link clips, and they are together again. How did I open the panel? Click on inspector and done. And I'm going to show you how to raise the volume. From here, volume, full. Really. Reset it, and the sound is ready.
Right? Let's do it everything.
Nice. So we change the voice. Wait, before we do that, I want to cut here so the whole video is not that voice. I'm going to reset this one. This part just I cut them and can separated them.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
did everything for now.
Yeah. Very easy, very simple, very quick. Yeah. So we learned how to cut, mark, and how to add transition, text, and change volume and raise the volume. So I'm going to show you another thing. So if you zoom out by mistake, click or hold Shift Z. Wait. Why the day is not my day? Z, sorry. very sorry, really. Okay, so if you want to add another clip, you can just drag it. 1 minute. You can just drag it inside it, but there's another way. Close the inspector. Yeah. And go to your files, this stuff. So yeah, open it and add the things you want to add, and just go to here to media pool again and insert the clip over here. So you can add clips very easily. So if I click on this clip and it comes over here, I can like this. I'm going to use the example of this cloth animation that we're using. Cloth animation. If you drag it over here, this list will pop out in front of you. So I'm going to choose inserted, so we don't mess our original and destroy everything. So yeah, we have done it. So Control Z, because I don't need it. So we learned another cool feature. So yeah, this was how this, I guess this is the end. Yeah.
You can't end like that.
Oh yes, I can. It's my video, I'm recording it.
Huh?
Okay, so I think that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed editing, cutting, everything. And what we have learned today is how to cut, how to add a mark, and what else? Insert clips, and how to change voices, and how to raise the volume, and how to add titles and text and transitions, and how to add fade and tracks. This was very easy, and how to add or create a timeline. So this is everything for now. Maybe I will decide to teach or record another part 2. I will think about that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and like, please. Okay, bye bye.